This is the Palm Beach PB70 motor yacht, and I've been invited down very kindly by Palm Beach Motor Yachts to give you a walkthrough. I've been dying to show you one of these because they are so classic, so elegant. I think you're going to really enjoy what I show you. We step on board through the transom. We're greeted with this absolutely beautiful aft cockpit area, completely underneath the hardtop and the awning. And this is what Palm Beach motor yachts are all about. It is about elegant style, sophisticated motor yachting, and that's exactly what you get in every little detail, which starts with little things like the way in which the Palm Beach branding there is built into the table there. And you can tell with the type of detail, this is no ordinary boat, with the teak whale capping that runs all the way around this boat, even along the bulwarks. They are no ordinary boats. But let's do a complete walkthrough and show you what it's all about. Apart from the aft cockpit dining and sitting, we've got a wet bar grill area just in front of us here to serve all of your guests. It's a symmetrical design, so we can move forward in a moment, either the port or starboard side. But there is another L-shaped lounge to the starboard side here. So this area here is where obviously you'd be spending most of your time. These are really in a harbour, in a coastal boat, and so obviously most of the time this is about entertaining and enjoying the outsides of the boat. The beautiful Salon, you can see the emphasis on really style, sophistication, which is what Palm Beach are known for. A nod towards the traditional sophistication, just elegant, beautiful interiors. I particularly like the way in which this occasional bar area is configured here. There's a pop-up television just there, but this very much has the feel of a beautiful, sophisticated lounging area that you would find in a luxury home. In terms of other areas in this main deck, we have two forward-facing chairs here, which are just opposite the helm, which is to my right, which has those two Garmin multifunction displays. We can see that there's joystick control, autopilot, there's the engine controls just to my right, and that starboard side window completely opens, so that gives you good visibility up and down the full length of the boat when you're bringing her in. There's also opening hatches for additional light and ventilation above our heads just there, and that's really spectacular. Entertaining space, but I like the way in which you almost have this atrium effect here at the galley. So if you are the lucky person using the galley, you definitely don't feel tucked away. It's beautifully light and airy, really stunning, and it comes equipped with everything. Obviously all the dishwashing. These are refrigeration drawers, very large refrigeration drawers there. There's even a countertop coffee machine, full oven, electric hob. That's a disposal unit, and a large sink. Beautiful. There's even another little opening section here above my head where you can even get more light coming through. I think we'll skip down and take a look at this accommodation area and utility space. So we're underneath the port side area of the helm that you can see, and we've got a utility space here with our washing machines This is extra refrigeration here. You can have this configured in a multitude of ways, but at the moment this is set up for storage and utility. But in here, if I spin around, we've got a really nice double cabin. If I come down, you can see just how well appointed this is, tucked away. Of course, there's a little compromise with the headroom because we are underneath the helm, of course, which if this was raised, you'd lose those beautiful lines in the main deck. But under here, obviously when you're in the bed, you've got plenty of headroom above you, and it's very, very comfortable, very calm, very serene actually down here. And it's serviced by a lovely ensuite with a kind of like a wet shower area just here. The toilet there, and basin, mirror with someone in the mirror, hello. All of the amenities there. So this is one of the accommodation areas on board. Hi there. Oh, I'll swim past you. There you go. The other accommodation spaces, and there are two others, is this. So this is a full double, really nice opposite the galley. These doors close across like so. I won't close the other, but that gives you the privacy and little protection from the noises and what have you. And it's a lovely, lovely cabin, full height. We're forward of the helm here, and so there's about 6'6" headroom. As you can see, there's lots of natural light pouring through here, and if you want more ventilation, there's a hatch above you here. But again, very, very high quality. These beautiful dark timber work is absolutely special. Someone in the comments will tell me what that is. I don't want to guess what that is, but it's very, very high level cabinetry, joinery, stunning. And then the ensuite is equally as nice, with a full length shower, toilet, and vanity. So we've seen the third of the cabins, the double, and now that leaves a few more areas to show you. The VIP, or the owner's cabin, which is tucked into the bow, and it gives you a beautiful space like this. I really like the way that there's this full step that runs right across the bed, allowing you to step up, and that makes for a much bigger bed, so you don't have to have this as an island. You can just step up onto the bed. There's a little lounging area just off here, and then if I spin around, lots of cupboards. They've asked us not to open them all, so I'll respect that. But as you can see, if we spin around, there's our AV entertaining area just there. I think I'm okay to open up the hanging locker, which looks like this. We'll close that up, and a little bit more storage that looks like that. And it's serviced by this ensuite, which benefits from that hatch that we saw on the main deck. Large countertop, one large basin with his and her faucets or taps, and a really nice shower you really can configure these Palm Beach
A lot of people are going for the
yachts with almost any need in mind. Some owners have chosen just to have one large cabin below deck. Others have gone for two. This has the 3 cabin layout. You can have galley up or galley down as you've got here. Palm Beach really are about customising and meeting the needs of their customers. So we'll move back up and we'll have a look at the exterior forward spaces. The starboard side, and we'll just show you what is on offer in the front area, and then we'll spin back and have a look. So here we are. So we're obviously above those 3 cabins. There's the hatches that we saw from below deck, and we've got a sun pad fitted there and a ladder obviously up to the mast, radar, navigation equipment on the hardtop there. But I think I said at the beginning that you can really configure these a number of different ways, and this is interesting. I've not seen this on many boats. This is a little sunken lounge area, and I really love it. Very, very private. We've got like a little bimini top on at the moment just to give yourself some shade, but you could choose to have this off. And what a great little spot for you to come along. You could have 1 or 2 or 3 people down in here, little cocktail hour, looking out over the bow of the boat at anchor somewhere. I mean, this is what you buy these boats for, isn't it? Just to come on board and have a really enjoyable time with your people. That's wonderful. And if I spin around, we get to appreciate the full beam of this 70-foot yacht and just how elegant it looks from this angle. Sensational. Well, that's the Palm Beach PB70 motor yacht. A really beautiful piece of marine engineering, and you can see why Palm Beach owners are so loyal. I really appreciate Palm Beach making the boat available to us. It's a busy day today at the boat show, and they've squeezed us in, so I really appreciate that. I hope you liked the walkthrough. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We do these every week. And I think we'll finish this one here. I'll see you next week on our next video. Bye for now.